Grand juries originated for us in England. It was a space where peers would be able to protect their fellow community members from the government. And it was highly effective because those peers in the grand jury would often reject that somebody be charged. That is not the case with grand juries anymore. Grand juries are very much controlled by prosecutors. Why is that? They are the only ones in the courtroom. There's no judge in the courtroom for most of the grand jury. There's no defense lawyer. There's nobody else there. The problem with it now is that it's entirely secret. In Minnesota, we do not have to use grand juries except in some cases, and that would be first-degree murder, first-degree sexual assault. In most other cases, we can simply file charges by complaint. I believe that it is the prosecutor's job to take ownership and accountability of the charges that are issued by this office, and that is the reason why we will not be using a grand jury for charging purposes in cases that involve officers and the death of one of our community members.